Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. I've got here XIANG's latest RC helicopter, the F11. This is the probably out there in terms of full-size helicopters. This is one of the biggest, one of the baddest, one of the meanest helicopters that you could see. This is the AH-64 Apache. Does look absolutely fantastic on the box, and this is the box, the case that you get it in. So if I show you, take the lid off like that, you can see you get the manuals. Take the thin layer of foam off the top, and you can see in there everything is very neatly packed, so no risk of anything moving around. So in here you can get one, two or three flight batteries depending on how you order it, and that's the flight battery. Has a voltage indicator on it, obviously, and those are charged up with the provided charger in there. Now the charger adapter for the batteries is this, and it has an XT30. So if you've got an RC charger that has an XT30 female connector, you could charge these batteries up slightly quicker using that. You also get the transmitter, obviously. There you go, XIANG's stock transmitter for its ready to fly models, but you can get this in bind and fly as well should you want to use your own transmitter. So here we go. Just spread the blades out. Look at that. Let me just do this with the screen so I can see what I'm doing. But look how amazing that looks. Love the detail on this. And there are some machine guns and rockets to add on the side pods as well, and I'll add those, and then we'll get it in the air for its first flight. Let's do that now. Alright, all ready to go. So I have fitted the machine gun that fits to the battery actually that you use, and then I've got the rockets on either side, just slide in from the back. They look really good. Looks even more mean than it did coming out of the box. Alright, so the transmitter, let's turn that on first, and then underneath press in the, so that is on, we're ready to go. So even on this low rate, it is very sensitive, I have to say. So I wouldn't want to give this to an absolute beginner. And in the high rate, you get a lot more pitch control like that. That is pretty sensitive. So we'll keep it in the low rate because we're in a confined space here. But the main thing with this is a great looking helicopter. And you do get quite a lot of control, even in this 6G mode. You do get a lot of roll control actually, which is nice. So you can perform these nice scale turns rather than them being totally flat. Takes some practice, obviously. I'm a bit of a novice, but I think it looks better than a lot of other scale helicopters out there that really only turn in a very flat type of way. Yeah, I really like that. With more and more practice, you can get it to fly in a really scale way. I love the way that it banks, and you can, you know, go backwards and then do your turns. It's a fantastic looking heli. If you have enough practice with it, you're going to fly it in a very scale way. So there you are. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. Remember that you get everything that you need in the box to fly this, less the AA's that you put inside the radio transmitter. I have heard there is a GPS version coming in the near future, so if you want more of those kind of drone features like return to home, then that is going to come with this in the near future. So thanks for watching this again. Thanks to my cameraman, and we'll be back soon on Essential RC. Bye.